Would you like your child to build their own smart lamp or a smart watch and learn how to make machines talk to each other? Then enroll them in the Avishkaar IoT MicroDegree. With 24 live online sessions conducted over 6 months, flexible batch strengths of 1-to-1 or 1-to-4 classes, and Avishkaar IoT kits having dozens of electronics parts and programmable board, your child can become a master of IoT coding and electronics and learn the skills needed for 80% jobs in the future. Our curriculum is STEM.org certified and designed by experts from IIT, BITS, Microsoft and Adobe, and trained by hundreds of experts with years of robotics training experience. Experience holistic learning with regular performance reports, demo sessions to boost communication, and the chance to participate in our international Avishkaar Robotics League and win prizes worth rupees 5 lakhs. So what are you waiting for? Book a free counseling session to know the details and best offers. Join our community of over 250,000 plus students across 1500 plus schools in 15 plus countries.